Good morning, students. Welcome to Rishikul Vidyapit online classes. Let's continue. Now move to next question. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus up to so on 1 by 2 raised to power n. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to power n. First step, 4 n equal to 1. What you will get? 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to power 1. 1 minus 1 by 2 you know very well. This is equal to 1 by 2, which is true. Therefore, statement is true for n equal to 1. Second step, let statement is true for n equal to k. Put n equal to k on both sides. You will get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus to so on 1 by 2 raised to power k. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to power k. Say this equation number 1. In the last step, what you have to prove? We will prove the statement for n equal to k plus 1. Write down. We will prove the statement for n equal to k plus 1. Put n equal to k plus 1 on both sides. See what we will get. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus up to so on 1 by 2 raised to power k plus 1. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to power k plus 1. Say this equation number 2. And I told you the method how you can prove it. First step, consider left hand side. I am considering left hand side. Right? This is your 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus up to so on. Next step, write the term which comes before it. 1 by 2 raised to power k plus 1. The terms which comes before it is the last term of equation number 1. That is your 1 by 2 raised to power k. Next step I told you, put value from equation 1. This becomes left hand side of equation 1. You can see this whole and this whole is same, and value of this is 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to power k. This as it is. And the last step I told you simplification, and for simplification you have to simply apply 3 steps. First step LCM, second step common, and third factor if required. And you can interchange these 2 steps also. Now see here, we require this one in my answer, means which I have to prove. Take this one as it is. Right? Now we have to simplify these 2 terms. And from these 2 terms, you can easily say 2 raised to power k, 1 by 2 raised to power k is common. I am taking 1 by 2 raised to power k as common. What is left? 1. And from here, what is left? 1 by 2. Because we have taken this k power as common, therefore 1 power will be left. Right? 1 minus 1 by 2, you know very well. This is your 1 by 2. Now base is same and you are multiplying, powers will be added. And this is equal to right hand side. Therefore, statement is true for n equal to k plus 1, and the last line you can easily write. Therefore, by PMI, statement is true for all n belongs to natural number. Now move to next question, that is your question number 10. See question number 10. Now in question number 10, first step you can easily do for n equal to 1. You do yourself. I am starting from step number 2 for n equal to k. See what you will get. 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus up to so on 1 by 3k minus 1 into 3k plus 2 equal to k upon 6k plus 4. Say this equation number 1. And the last step, we will prove the statement for n equal to k plus 1. Put n equal to k plus 1 on both sides. See what you will get. 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus up to so on 1 by. Now see here, 3 is multiplied with n. Now in place of n we are putting k plus 1. Therefore you will multiply this 3 with k plus 1. Like this you will write. This minus 1 as this. Bracket close. In the next bracket also you will write down similarly 3. In place of n write down k plus 1 plus 2 equal to. Now put n equal to k plus 1 on right hand side also you will get k plus 1 6 into k plus 1 plus 4. Simplify this one, see what you get. 1 upon 2 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 into 8 plus up to so on 1 by. This is your 3k plus 3 minus 1. You will get 3k plus 2. And this is your 3k plus 5 equal to k plus 1 upon. This is your 6k plus 6 plus 4. This is your 6k plus 10. This is equation number 2. Right? Now we have to prove this equation number 2. How will you prove? First step, consider left hand side. I am writing left hand side. This is your 1 upon 2 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 into 8 plus up to so on 1 upon 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. Now next step, I have to write down the term which comes before it, and this will be the last term of equation. This write down here. This is your 1 upon 3k minus 1 into 3k plus 2. Now next step, put value from equation number 1. Put value from equation number 1. What is the value? K upon 6k plus 4 plus 1 upon 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. Now the last step, simplification. I have already done the 3 steps. First step is LCM. Right? Now next step is common. You can interchange these 2 steps also. Now see here, here you are having 6k plus 4, and from here you can take this 2 as common. Take 2 as common. Now see the remaining step. Apply LCM. 2 into 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. This is your LCM. Now what is left here? Sorry, k is here. K into 3k plus 5. Here you will write down 2. This is your 3k square plus 5k plus 2 divided by 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. And the last step, factor, and you can easily make factors of this quantity. I am writing directly what are the factors. Factors will be k plus 1 into 3k plus 2. Right? Make factors of this quantity. These will be your factors. Right? You can check also 3k, 3k square, 3k plus 2k. Yes, the factors are correct. 2 into 3k plus 2 and into 3k plus 5. This 3k plus 2 is cancelled out. You will get k plus 1 upon, multiply this 2 inside, 6k plus 10. Therefore, statement is 2, 4. N equal to k plus 1 and the last line. Therefore, by PMI, statement is 2, 4. All n belongs to natural number. This is your question. Now move to next one. In question number 11 also, first step you can easily do. I am starting from step number 2 for n equal to k. Let statement is true for n equal to k, and we will prove the statement for n equal to k plus 1. See here. Now let statement is for n equal to 1, you will do yourself. For n equal to k, we are starting the question. Let statement is true for n equal to k. Put n equal to k, see what you get. You get 1 upon 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1 upon 3 into 4 into 5 plus up to so on. 1 upon k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 equal to k into k plus 3 divided by 4 into k plus 1 k plus 2. So this is equation number 1. Now next, we will prove the statement for n equal to k plus 1. Now put n equal to k plus 1 on both sides. See what you get. You get 1 upon 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 into 4 plus up to so on. 1 upon, see the first term, when you will put n equal to k plus 1, you will get k plus 1, this will become k plus 2 and this will become k plus 3. K plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 equal to, see right hand side, in place of n put k plus 1 here, you will get k plus 1, next term will be k plus 4 and the next term in denominator, see k plus 1 plus 1, you will get k plus 2 and the next term will be k plus 3. So this is equation number 2. Now we have to prove this equation number 2. How will you prove? I told you the method. Consider left hand side. I am taking left hand side. Left hand side is 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 into 4 plus up to so on 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Next step you know very well. Write the term which comes before it and it will be last term of equation 1. This one. Write it here. K plus 1, k plus 2. Next step, put value from equation 1. Right? Value is k into k plus 3 upon 4 into k plus 1, k plus 2 plus this as it is 1 upon k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. And the last step which is left, that is just simplifying. And for simplification we are having 3 steps: LCM, common and factor. Okay. Now first step, take LCM. See what you get. This 4 into k plus 1, k plus 2 into k plus 3, that is your LCM. Now this will be cancelled out. What is left here? K into k plus 3 whole square plus here you will get 4. Now after taking LCM, nothing is common here. Open this whole square. K into k square plus 9 plus 6k plus 4 k plus 1 k plus 2 k plus 3. Now multiply this k inside, you will get k cube plus 6k square plus 9k plus 4 divided by 4 into k plus 1 k plus 2 k plus 3. Now we are having cubic, right? Either you make factors of cubic or you can do like this also. Now see, on right hand side in equation number 2, I require k plus 2 and k plus 3 in denominator. I am already having k plus 2 and k plus 3 in the denominator. I require this for also. I am having here. This term, this factor k plus 1 is extra. That's why you will divide this cubic by k plus 1. I am dividing here k cube plus 6k square plus 9k plus 4 by k plus 1. And long division you know very well. And why I am dividing with this k plus 1? Because I don't require this factor k plus 1 in the denominator. Now this will go on k square. Division you can easily do. You have already done in your previous classes. Right? Minus minus 6k square minus k square 5k square plus 9k plus 4. This will go on 5k into k. This is your 5k square 5k into 1 5k. So, this cancel out 9k minus 5k 4k plus 4. Now this will go on 4. This is your 4k plus 4. Right? Means when you divide this cubic by k plus 1, what you are getting? K square right here. K square plus 5k plus 5. And in denominator what is left? 4 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Now this is your quadratic and you can easily make the factors of quadratic, and the factors will be k plus 1 into k plus 4. You can write down directly also if you can make. And 4 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. This is equal to right hand side. Last two lines. Therefore statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. And last line. Therefore by PMI statement is true for all n belongs to natural number. Right? Now move to question number 12. In question number 12 also you can see first step similar, put n equal to 1. For n equal to 1 you will prove the statement. Second step, let statement is true for n equal to k. We are starting from step number 2. See here. Question number 12. First step you will do yourself. Let statement is true for n equal to k. Right. A plus AR plus AR square plus up to so on. A into r raised to power k minus 1 equal to A into r की power k minus 1 upon r minus 1. Say this equation number 1. Next step, we will prove the statement for n equal to k plus 1. Put n equal to k plus 1 on both sides. See what you get. You will get A plus AR square plus up to so on A into r raised to power. Here you have to put n equal to k plus 1. You will get k plus 1 minus 1. This one will be cancel out. On right hand side also put n equal to k plus 1. You will get r raised to power k plus 1 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So this equation number 2. How will you prove this equation number 2? I have told you the step many times. Consider left hand side. Consider left hand side. Right? A plus AR. Next, write the term previous to last term. जो लास्ट टर्म है उससे पहले वाली टर्म लिखनी है. You have to write down the term which comes before it, and this will be the last term of equation 1. A into r raised to power k minus 1. Next, put value from equation 1 and from equation 1 you can easily write down its value. This is your A into r raised to power k minus 1 upon r minus 1. This is it. And the last step is simplification, and simplification I told you 3 steps. First LCM, common and factor. Now first step I am taking LCM. R minus 1 is LCM. What is left here? A into r raised to power k minus 1 plus A into r raised to power k. This will go this side. Right? Now next step is common. What is common here? This A is common. What is left? R raised to power k minus 1 plus. Now multiply this r raised to power k with r. Basis say your power will be added. Multiply r raised to power k with 1, you will get r raised to power k whole divided by r minus 1. R raised to power k is cancelled out. you get a into r raised to power k plus 1 minus 1 upon r minus 1, and this is equal to right hand side. Therefore you will say statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. Last line, therefore by PMI statement is true for all n belongs to natural number. Thank you.